So now, how does the print-on-demand business model work exactly? It's very important that we understand how the business works before we start setting everything up. So it all starts with your online store. This is going to be the place where people can find and buy your products. And then obviously we have customers. Every business needs customers. But now, how do we get customers onto our store to buy our products? Well, we're going to use the platform of Facebook. Facebook already has millions of people or even billions who are interested in specific topics and specific niches, the perfect customer for our store. So people who are already interested in our products, all we need to do is show them our products so that they can then visit our store and buy them from our store. But now, how do we actually deliver the products to the customer? Well, that's where our print-on-demand supplier comes into play. In this video, we're going to use Printful. There are multiple print-on-demand suppliers that basically supply us with the products. We can create the designs and put those on the products. But then once a customer buys something on our store, Printful, our print-on-demand supplier, will take care of the fulfillment part. So they will make sure to print the design on the product and send the product to the customer. So first of all, we have to pay Facebook to get traffic to our store. So we create Facebook ads, so then people scroll on their Facebook and then they see our ad and then they click on our ad and that will take them to our store. Obviously, this is not free, so we also have to pay Facebook for running ads on their platform. And then once a customer goes to our store and buys a product, he will do the payment directly on our store. So they will pay us directly. Now we have the money that we are charging for the products that we are selling. And part of that money, we're going to reinvest back into Facebook ads so we can get more customers to our store. The other part of the payment, we're going to pay directly to our print-on-demand supplier. In this case, this would be Printful, who then ships out the product to the customer. So all we need to do is to make sure to continue get customers onto our store that buy the products, and everything else will be handled by Printful. So they will ship the products to the customer. We don't need to worry about warehouses. We don't need to worry about producing anything except for the designs, obviously. And so we can focus on marketing and on creating awesome designs for the products. And then the rest that isn't paid to Facebook and that isn't going to Printful is then our profit. Now that we understand how print-on-demand works, let's look at all the elements we have to set up for us to build our own print-on-demand business. So a big part of your print-on-demand business is going to be your designs. Now, don't worry, you don't need to be a designer to create a profitable print-on-demand store. But what you do need to do is you need to understand your niche. So a niche is basically something like a topic that people are interested in. This could be hunting, fishing, pets, or fashion, or fitness, all kinds of different niches you can create a store about. And then you're basically going to create original designs that relate to people in that niche that are interested in that specific topic. And I'm going to show you exactly how to create those designs using a tool called Canva. And then once you have your designs, we're going to put those designs on different products. Now here you can see clothes. So this would be a hat and a hoodie. You can also put it on mugs, on shower curtains, on pillowcases. Basically anything you can think of, you're going to find a print-on-demand supplier that will create a product for you with your design on that product. So it really depends on your niche, what would be the best products to sell on your store. Once we have all the products, we're going to put those products onto our store. We're going to use Shopify to create our store very easily without any coding. It's going to be very easy and straightforward. I'm going to walk you through every single step. And then once we have our finished store, we're going to create Facebook ads that go directly to our products. So then we can get sales on our store. So those are the 4 elements that we need to worry about. It's going to be our designs, our products, our store, and then the ads. I'm going to show you how to do all that in this tutorial.